A jewel that sustains forever and generations to feel alive in the open vast spaces, from the landscaped gardens to malls and to finely planned finishes, here being a part of transit-oriented development when nothing is too far and to get in. Presenting to you West Square by L&T, one of the biggest land parcels covered in Seawoods, Navi Mumbai. Well said that when you choose L&T, you choose legacy. Starting from Nerul to Seawoods Mall, this project has a flawless connectivity. So, right behind is your service road and the major road is Palm Beach Road, which gives you the two major entries to this project. Apart from that, Seawoods Station is inside Seawoods Mall, which is just next to this project and which is also developed by L&T. So this gives you a major connectivity to your mall and station in just walking distance because it is right inside from your premises. Apart from that, Recreation Zone airspace is just walking distance from here. Upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport is approximately 20 to 25 minutes away and Atal Setu is just 15 to 20 minutes away. You can connect it very well efficiently. Apart from that, talking about other stations like Nerul and Vashi, they are also just 10 to 15 minutes away and you can connect to Palm Beach Road in just 2 minutes away. So this was all about the connectivity that you'll get from this project. Now I'll give you an overview and the facilities and amenities you'll be getting from this project. So now I'll give you a project overview. There are 4 towers in total and they are already sold out, and there is a possibility of future development coming in. That is a G+17 story building and also comes with 3 basement parkings and 1 lower parking, 2 BHK and 3 BHKs available. Apart from that, this is a 40-acre land parcel in total and 4.5 acres is covered by residential area. 1.5 acres का amenities area है यहाँ पर with 40+ amenities, and the key amenities that you'll be getting will be swimming pool, jogging track, landscaped gardens, kids play area and many more. So this was all about the project overview and amenities. Now I shall move you to the sample flat. Let's go. Moving in, this is our 3 BHK sample flat apartment with carpet area 1050 square feet. As you can see, it is very spacious and luxury. आप enter कर सकते हैं, ये आपका living area हो जाता है and this is connected to your balcony space. Or as you can say, your open space that you get your view of your project from here. You'll get the amenities ka view and clubhouse, swimming pool ka view from your 3 BHK apartment. So this is our living room, which is again very spacious. Right next to it, you have your dining space where you can easily situate your 8 to 6 seater dining table. So it is a very huge living space. Moving on to our kitchen now. ये है हमारा L-shaped kitchen, as you can see here, and you also get a simultaneous platform right here with very spacious and sufficient compartment space given, and also comes with your utility area. Enough space for your washing machine also to be occupied and your refrigerator. Moving on, right next we have our master bedroom number 1. So this is our master bedroom. Here in this master bedroom, and आपको यहाँ पर French windows मिलेंगी जो कि आधा you can open it from this bedroom. So this is our master bedroom number 1 with an attached washroom again. यहाँ आपको मिल जाएंगी enough very convenient vitrified tilings and branded fittings. Moving on to our kids bedroom. The floor to ceiling height for this apartment is 9.8 feet. This is spacious and with an attached balcony space also. So you get in total 3 balconies in this room, that is 1 in your living room, 1 in your kids bedroom and 1 in your master bedroom number 2. So this is our very spacious kids bedroom. Moving on to our common washroom, which is right opposite to our kids bedroom, again comes with premium fittings and vitrified tiles. This is our master bedroom number 2. As you enter the master bedroom, before entering, as you can see, you get utmost privacy because it also has a foyer area. Entering the master bedroom now. So this is our master bedroom number 2, quite spacious. You'll also get your wardrobe space here. Again, comes with your attached deck. So as you can see, 3 rooms in your apartment has attached deck or balcony space, which is your living room, which is a bigger balcony, and the other 2 have decks, which is your master bedroom number 2 and your kids bedroom. So you can enjoy the same view with an attached washroom. You get your premium fittings and vitrified tiling. So this is our master bedroom number 2 and this was our lavish 3 BHK sample flat apartment, and the pricing for 2 BHK is starting from 2.20 CR plus taxes, and for 3 BHK it is starting from 3.26 CR plus taxes. For booking purpose, contact us today on the given details below. Until next time,